Alright, y'all. Today's video is by State Boys. It's always a good video. BMW M3 fast. Can't shake the Georgia State Patrol. State Boys. Y'all can't see the reflectors or the name on the side of the vehicle. Me, anytime I'm driving, I can see it. Oh, he must be. There he is. Oh my God. Clean your car. Gone. There go another unit. How did you get caught? I'm pretty sure that's the car way in the front. How much is that car? You cannot see this car. He fucked up if they catch him. It is no way.
All right, Atlanta, I got him getting off 75 north, 75 north.
I mean, that cop is very experienced. If that was a rookie, he would have probably kept going straight. So, I get the driver a little slack.
Coming up on the 252A, 252A. Looks like he might be exiting going on Northside Drive.
You can't even see the car.
We're exiting Northside Drive, Atlanta. Going left on Northside, left on Northside. Clear left, clear right. Staying on Northside, straight on Northside. Straight on Northside. All right, passing Bellmead and Antony Street. Antony Street. Antony Street. All right, passing Green Street. Passing Green Street.
You're just chasing a ghost now.
Passing Green Street. All right, coming up
Oh.
on 17th Street, he's jumping the curb.
This driver sucked. You have left this officer too many times. You just need to give it up.
Stay straight, passing 14th. Any luck on Aviation, Atlanta? Overhead. past 10th Street. I'm getting caught up in traffic. Cutting through Tokyo Alatino. Through Tokyo Alatino, he's taking right on Hampton, right on Hampton.
That officer got some great eyes.
Aviation, you got eyes?
Take a left right there, that parking lot.
Oh. Once that bird get in the sky, it's over.
Okay, you in that parking lot. If you hang a right there, he's backing in right now. He'll be facing you.
That's crazy. You just eating dinner or going about your life and you see a high-speed chase run right beside you.
Good call, aviation.
We're right on the street.
Once that bird get in the sky, it's over. Oh, there's a back street.
You're right. He's in that parking lot on Main Street.
Why you stop?
Hands up! Hands up! Get your ass out the car! Get your ass out the car!
Ooh. Ooh, they're gonna make him feel it.
You, man.
Look at that person in the back running.
You could have killed somebody driving like that. What the hell's wrong with you, man? Roll over.
They slammed my guy down face first. I was not expecting that.
You got him? Yeah. I'm gonna help him. Atlanta, we're 1095, 1 mile, 1095, 1 mile.
Lars, you need to give that up. You left him too many times and still got caught.
Look up there.
Department.
Hard to outrun that, big dog. Walk back here.
Man, at least he understand. He ain't even fighting it. He know what's up.
Sit down.
Ooh.
All the way in, man.
That's why he did it. He trying to show her what's up.
That's 10-4 aviation.
She sound black.
We're 1095 times 2. Appreciate the help. I got check this. We'll check the
Like
car.
she got that, like that sound that I don't even know how to explain it.
They got the wooden stick for it,
They're in the front seat.
Number 3.
Did my girlfriend call it tow for this car, or?
Yes, he's on tow. He's on the car.
Okay. And then, can she take my belongings in the car?
That's going to be a hidden call. That's not a call.
Okay.
Box is really close to me.
Okay.
So there's nothing really happening about.
No, I mean, that's pretty much it. I promise you.
Boy,
we can test it.
you just gave them boys another fast car. They finna seize that
As far
car.
as my knowledge,
That car is theirs now.
Again, I don't really clean the car that much. I don't really drive the car that much.
You did tonight. I'll tell you that.
I was fucking stupid, but I own up to it.
You say that.
Yeah, that was very stupid.
Continuing 285, or correction, continuing 21 over 285, right?
I ain't gonna tell you what you should have did, but you had too many chances to be out of there.
Agree with the 1049 now.
Get this tire off of you. Is my girlfriend able to take my belongings from the car with her?
What do you want her to take? The money?
The money, and I think she has my wallet.
Yeah, that's the end of the video. My guy just need to give it up. That's probably the first time he ever ran into police. Because ain't no reason you leave them that many times and still get caught. Once that bird get in the sky, you done.